Hello, super readers. Today is the day that we are going to take your reading test on The Big Race. So if you haven't read this story in a while, I would pause what you are doing and go and read The Big Race one more time. I'm going to read the questions to you. If you need me to go slower, you may pause the video as you answer each question. Number 1. Graham takes the kids to the zoo. Graham takes the kids to the zoo. Use the pictures to help you. Number 2. The animal act in a bit, she said. The animal act in a bit, she said. Number 3. They all went the big cage. They all went the big cage. Number 4. They got to a man give a fish to an animal. They got to a man give a fish to an animal. Number 5. Then animals did tricks. Then animals did tricks. Number 6. At the end, Nate said, "I wish this act was not At the end, Nate said, "I wish this act was not Number 7. Which word means almost the same as the word sizzling in the sentence below? The sun is sizzling. Cold, hot, warm. Number 8. Which word means almost the same as the word fly in the sentence? In the fall, the leaves fly in the wind. Blow, jump, or sink. Number 9. Which word means almost the same as the word giant in the sentence below? This tree is giant. Full, short, tall. Number 10. Which word means almost the same as the word rush in the sentence below? I had to rush fast to win the race. Dance, jog, run. Number 11. Why does Red Lizard run in the race? He likes to run, he can run fast, or he wants to win the cake. Why does Red Lizard run in the race? Number 12. Why is Rat napping in the shade? It is hot, it is wet, it is cold. Why is Rat napping in the shade? Number 13. Why does Roadrunner wave to his pals? To tell them hello? To get them to run with him? To tell them he gets the cake? Why does Roadrunner wave to his pals? Number 14. How does the race start? The flag goes down. Many animals watch. The animals take their spots. How does the race start? Number 15. Why does Cottontail stop running in the race? She runs after a butterfly. She sits down to rest. She falls into the hay. Why does Cottontail stop running in the race? Number 16. Why does Red Lizard win the race? He is a fast animal. The rest of the animals stop running. He plays tricks on the rest of the animals. Why does Red Lizard win the race? Number 17. What problem does Red Lizard have at the end of the story? He ate too much cake. His pals would like cake. The cake is too big to take. What problem does Red Lizard have at the end of the story? Number 18. Why are the friends glad at the end of the story? Red Lizard gives them cake. Red Lizard asks them to lunch. The pals get their own big cake. Why are the friends glad at the end of the story? Number 19. What can you tell about Red Lizard? He did not like to win. He would like to eat all the food. He would like his friends to have fun. What can you tell about Red Lizard? And number 20. What is hard to believe in this story? A lizard can talk. A snake chases a bug. A rat naps in the shade. What is hard to believe in this story? Just click on your best answer. Do your very best, first graders. I'll see you next time.